There are three domains of life, which are bacteria, archaea and eukarya. First is bacteria. Bacteria are prokaryotic cells that lack nuclei and other organized cell structure. Bacteria is a single-cell organism that comes in a variety of shapes and sizes, such as sphere, rods, and spiral. They can be found everywhere in all natural environments. Second is archaea. Archaea is also a unicellular prokaryote which is structurally similar to bacteria. They are found in extreme environments such as in the volcanic vents or at the bottom of the sea. Third is eukarya. For example, animal cell. Animal cell is an eukaryotic cell and has irregular shape. Unlike prokaryotic cells, animal cells have membrane-bound organelles such as nucleus, mitochondria, and the Golgi apparatus. So here, this is the structure of gram-positive bacteria. The white region here is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is the site for most of the enzymatic reactions and metabolic activity of the cell. The yellow layer is plasma membranes. Plasma membrane regulates the flow of substances in and out of the cell. The green layer here is a cell wall containing peptidoglycan. Most bacteria have a rigid cell walls that give them their shape. The capsule can protect cells from engulfment by eukaryotic cells such as macrophage. The sky blue region is the nucleoid region, which contains the core ring of DNA. The white round shape here is ribosomes that are responsible for protein production. The short villi is called fimbriae. They help bacteria attach to the surface. The next part is a long rib-like protrusion called flagella that aids in cellular locomotion. Hook is also part of flagella. Here, this is the structure of archaea. The three regions of an archaeal cell are the cytoplasm, cell membrane, and cell wall. The yellow layer is plasma membrane. Unlike bacteria and eukarya, the membrane of archaea consists of ether linkage. Ether linkage are more resistant to chemical activity and allow archaea cells to survive in extreme environments that will kill other life forms. Archaea do not have peptidoglycan cell walls, but they may have pseudopeptidoglycan, polysaccharides, glycoproteins, or protein-based cell walls. They are also S layers attached to the outermost portion of the cell wall. S layer allow archaea to adhere to host cells or other environmental surfaces and to maintain shape and envelope rigidity. As we can see, archaea have few similarities with bacteria in structure. They also have cytoplasm, flagella, hook, nucleoid, ribosomes, and capsule. This is the structure of animal cells. Like the bacteria, they have cytoplasm, ribosomes, and cell membrane that have ester linkage. Not all eukarya have cell walls. But for those eukarya having a cell wall, that wall contains no peptidoglycan. Animal cell lack of cell wall, which gives their irregular shape. Plant cell, on the other hand, have a cell wall that is composed of cellulose. As animal cells fall in eukarya domain, they have nucleus. Nucleus is an organelle that contains genetic material or DNA which controls and regulates the activities of the cell. The green structure here is Golgi apparatus complex. It is important in transporting, modifying, and packaging lipids into vesicles. The major function of lysosome is to remove waste and destroy a cell after it has died. Lysosome contains digestive enzymes named lysozyme. The blue part here is endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is associated with ribosomes to make secretory and membrane protein, while smooth endoplasmic reticulum is used to make lipids. Despite the similarities of the structure in those cells, there are also a few comparisons that can be made. The first one is the presence of the cell wall. The cell wall in bacteria is composed of peptidoglycan layers. In archaea, the cell wall is made up of pseudopeptidoglycan, which makes it resistant to lysozyme and penicillin. Second, bacteria and archaea have 70S ribosomes, which made up of 50S and 30S ribosomes, while animal cells have 80S ribosomes, which made up of 60S and 40S ribosomes. Third, in archaea, The linkage between glycerol and the hydrophobic side chains are linked by ether linkage, while in the bacteria and animal cells, they are linked by ester linkage. Since bacteria and archaea are prokaryotic, the nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles are absent, while in animal cells, the nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles such as mitochondria, lysosomes, and Golgi complex are present. That's all from us. Thank you.